Season 6, Episode 8. Classic Caillou slaps me / grounded.
Well, I slapped Caillou, but I got to slap Princeton McGaver. Ha 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 ha.
Stop slapping me. I tell your dad.
OHHHHHHHHHHHHHH classic. How you slap Princeton M. You know he's a good boy. That's it. Year grounded, 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 grounded for 43 years. And I whoop you right now. You foo. KAKAKAJUUJFFFDD.
I stop right now. Washington A.